To turn off active status on Instagram to appear offline. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then go to the settings. And the very easiest way to appear offline by turning off active status is to search like active activity, and when you click some of this character like activity, then these three options come, but you have to click on the first option, which is activity status. Click on the activity status, and when you click on the activity status you can see the this page. And this page is saying that if you enable this button, your friends or the your followers can see you that you are offline. So if you so you can disable it, and so that's it, and no one can know that you are online. So that's it, and now you have turned off your activity status. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like on this video, comment below that this video is helpful, and also you have a questions, so comment it. I appreciate.